your school bans these hydro flasks.
Would you just sit there and watch it happen?
Or would you use your First Amendment right to peacefully protest and express your views? Some of you may be scared that your school will retaliate and punish you, but just so you know, that's against the rule. This is your constitutional right.
Yes, it is.
The right to assemble gives you the ability to make change in not only your school, but your country. This makes each individual feel as if they have the ability and a say in what happens in each institution and what is passed and how it even works.
Just like the hydro flask, black students in the Edwards v. South Carolina case of 1963 protested the treatment of African Americans. Police arrested these students, but the Supreme Court protected those students' right to assemble and overturned those convictions.
#equality.
#Kaepernick.
Always remember, if there's something in your life that's worth fighting for,
Then you have the right to assemble.
Avengers, assemble! Anyways.